Listo. So you're hanging grass cloth for the first time. And you're doing a great job because grass cloth is fairly easy. You could compare grass cloth to a hardcover book versus a soft covered book. Hardcover is hardcover for what reason? It protects the pages, right? And you could just close it. It's pretty much the way grass cloth works. It doesn't wrinkle on you. It doesn't get bubbles on you the way other wallpapers do. But if you should get water on the face of this, or if the glue should bleed through the underside of the wall covering, you're going to have a stain. And you have to do everything you can to prevent you from staining the wall covering. I just want to show you a simple way how to smooth out your grass cloth, particularly around the edges. If you're going to get glue on your grass cloth, it's going to be right here. Unless you're very careless and you get the glue on the underside, which would be here, when you have it upside down and you're gluing it. I don't recommend putting this through a paste machine. I really don't. But for the professionals who have one, you know, I've done it and it's risky. It's quick, but it's also risky. So if you're rolling the glue on with this upside down, you know this is your vulnerable point. That's where you're gonna get the glue, if you get it. Now, with your smoother, there's glue under here. So when I do this, if I press too hard, I'm actually moving the glue. I'm trying to move air, but if I press hard, I'm moving the glue. Let me show you what I mean. Let's come close. Does everybody see that glue? If that gets on the face of your wallpaper, you got a problem. Simple suggestion. Clean, damp cloth. Wipe off your spatula. Now it's dry. Oh, see, I didn't get any glue. I could see nothing came out. But pull it toward the edge and do push it off the edge because you do have air in there. Wipe it off on a dry. I use my shirt. But do not take this and put it back on here. There's no glue on here. But for those of you who may have a lot of glue underneath your grass cloth because you're doing it for the first time, wipe it off, dry it off, do it again. Got a little glue on there. Wipe it off. From the center. And you're always moving. If you should be on the edge of your grass cloth, and then you go this way, you made a mistake. Okay, one more time. I'm moving away. And there you have it. There's your tip for smoothing out the edges of your grass cloth. If you like the video, click on like, subscribe to my channel. And for those of you who hang paper regularly, tell me how you do it. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.